He beat with Drake, the biggest rapper in the world.
These niggas, yeah, Drake. Drake. The nigga that got bodied by Pusha T. The nigga that hiding his kid from the world, but his world wanna hide from the kid. Aubrey Graham in the wheelchair. Drake.
Yes.
Y'all niggas better stop playing with me in here. Y'all talking about the light skinned nigga from DeGeneres?
From Toronto.
Yo, stop playing with me.
From where?
The grassy.
Stop playing with me like I ain't teach Drake everything he know.
Hold on, you taught Drake everything he know.
Y'all ain't hear Drake on his first song? Tell me what's really going on. Drizzy Drake back in this thing already. That's Soulja.
Shit.
That's my bar.
Shit.
He copied my whole fucking flow.
That's Kiss Me Through the Phone.
He copied my whole fucking flow. Word for word,
shit.
bar for bar.
Oh,
Don't act like I
shit.
didn't make Drake, nigga. Don't do that.
Mind fucking blown.
Don't do that, nigga. I
Shit.
was son niggas in a heartbeat. Don't
Oh,
do that.
shit.
Drake, Aubrey?